Are you looking to progress your sketching and your watercolor painting skills and finally make your art a consistent part of your life so that you're actually able to share what you're proud of with the world? My name is Erica and I'm an artist, art content creator, and tutor that has a passion for not only constantly creating new work, but sharing my knowledge with people all around the world who are looking to level up their skills. I 100% believe that the world would be a better place with more art and artists in it, and this is why I love helping and encouraging others to keep going on their artistic paths so that they too can get to bring their own light into the world. In this YouTube channel, as well as over at my blog at ericalancaster.com, as well as throughout my different social media channels, I am constantly sharing free, helpful content for artists in the form of art tips, drawing and painting tutorials, and encouragement/mindset advice. Before starting my own online business based around my art and my art skills, I held regular full-time positions for a very long time. And I honestly never thought that I would become a professional artist or any sort of creative entrepreneur. Even though my jobs were always in creative fields, I thought that I would always be some sort of employee working under someone else, and that I would never have enough time to devote to my own artistic practice. After having graduated with my BA in graphic design, which I don't regret having studied graphic design at all, I think I was left with a lot of knowledge and skills that have helped me in a variety of different areas, even in the building of my own business. But after that, I worked as in-house graphic designer for several years, first for a company and then for a well-known advertising agency in my city. After a while, I ended up feeling very creatively stifled and burnt out, and that's how I ended up teaching in a school environment, and oh my goodness, that was a blast. Every single day teaching in a school environment is a crazy, beautiful mess. It's an adventure, and I just feel that I grew so much from it. As I grew myself, I saw the immense positive impact that art creation and appreciation was having on my students' lives, and that's why I decided to obtain my master's degree in education. It was through this teaching position that I was able to reach the conclusion that I wanted two main components in my life from then on until the day I died. I wanted teaching and I wanted art to be a part of my life. This said, if I didn't have that graphic design degree under my belt and that experience, I wouldn't have been able to apply for that art teaching position. And at the same time, having been a graphic designer helped me be very comfortable around new technologies and softwares, and I was able to incorporate very new and interesting aspects into my art teaching. By the end of my 6th year teaching art full-time, I was already starting to teach people out of my own home studio. And this way, I was able to widen the age range of people that I was helping out. I was already teaching tiny kids all the way through high schoolers, and now I was helping out older adults as well. After a couple of years of doing all of that while simultaneously working on growing my own artistic skills, I decided to jump into the online world because I really wanted to have a greater reach. So it took me a while to get here, but I am so thankful that things worked out for me the way that they did, and I am so happy and excited to be here at this point and to continue to create art and to continue to help people and to grow this beautiful business that I have started. It's been a great adventure so far. If you'd like to see a brand new video from me every single week, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to introduce yourself down below in the comment section so that I can say hi to you and welcome you into this wonderful community, and see you very soon. Bye!